Hello to everyone. This is Rosina Harmonic from Fellowship Mission School. In this video, I'm going to cover a topic from first chapter, that is transition from calculator to computer and smart devices. So here is the comparison of a calculator and a computer. First point is screen resolution. The screen resolution of calculator was smaller as compared to a computer. Second point is graphics supported. Calculator does not support any graphics, whereas a computer does. Third is your color support. Calculator was generally monochromatic. Monochromatic means एक mono means एक. So only one color it had. Whereas your computer supports multiple colors. Next point is support for other devices, जैसे printer, plotter, mic, speaker. Calculator cannot support all these devices, whereas computer has many different ports to support all these kinds of devices. The next is your connectivity option. There is no connectivity with your calculator, and with your computer you can connect many different things. Next point, support for other functions, for example writing essays or internet access. Calculator does not provide any typing of words or letters, and you cannot access internet with the help of calculator. Whereas there is high possibility that we can use all these functions in the computer. Next is the number of functions available. In calculator, there are only mathematical or you can say scientific functions are available. Whereas in computer, it involves any type of computation. Next is your ability to run integrated software. Your calculator cannot run in softwares, whereas your computer can run any type of software. Software upgradability. Calculator has no upgradation in software. Your computer has upgradation in software. Ability to share information with other software on the devices. Calculator cannot share any data. Your computer can share data with the other devices. Availability to exchange data with other devices. कैलकुलेटर से आप डेटा एक्सचेंज नहीं कर सकते हो. कंप्यूटर से you can use portable devices like pen drive, hard drive, and with the help of those devices you can transfer the data. Programmability, set of limited, that is repeat same thing again and again if needed, whereas in your computer effectively unlimited save program can be rerun. Support multiple programs simultaneously. Calculator does not support multiple programs, only one program at a time it can execute. Computer can run multiple programs simultaneously. Processing power, very limited processing power is needed. Only batteries are needed for calculator to run. Whereas computer mein, there is a huge amount of resource or you can say electricity is needed. RAM available for programming and data. Very few KBs are required with calculator, whereas RAM availability in computer is in GBs. Storage capacity is very limited in calculator. Storage capacity in computer is up to terabytes and more than that. Power, that is electricity, limited. Batteries or solar cell are more than enough. Whereas in computer, huge electricity is needed so that it can execute or it can run the programs. So this was the difference between, or you can say the comparison between calculator and the computer or the smart devices. Here is the image of calculator and computer. Calculator runs on little power. Second, not much hardware supported. No graphics, no color, limited resolution. Limited to mathematical and scientific functions only. Limited programmability, प्रोग्राम नहीं कर सकते हैं. कैन सपोर्ट सिंगल यूज़र, एक टाइम पे एक ही यूज़र सपोर्ट कर सकता है और यूज़ कर सकता है. लिमिटेड मेमोरी एंड स्टोरेज, there is no storage for it, it cannot store maximum data. Limited performance CPU, the performance of CPU is very limited, whereas in computer high performance CPU, extensive hardware support, रेजोल्यूशन बहुत ज़्यादा है, ग्राफिक्स एंड कलर भी हैं. इंटीग्रेटेड जनरल पर्पस सॉफ्टवेयर, बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर हम इसमें इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं, वी कैन यूज़ इट. Programmable, that is, you can program on this PC. Can support multiple user and program at a time. It can support multiple user, and at a time a user can run multiple programs. Enhanced memory and storage and memory बहुत ज़्यादा है. Require high power, that is electricity consumption is very high. So now the next topic is comparison between computer and smart devices. Okay, so here again there is in tabular format. We will see what is the comparison between computer and smart devices. First is size. Computer can fit on a table or on a lap. Smart devices can fit on a palm. For example, आप smart devices के लिए आपका phone ले लो and computer for example laptop ले लो. So laptop can be fitted on your lap or you can keep it on a table. Whereas smart devices you can use in your hand or on your palm. Second, if your system is connected with electricity, it can run continuously without any interruption. Whereas in smart devices can run as long as the battery is charged, needs to be charged frequently. You have to charge the battery again and again so that you can use it. Portability. Laptops can be carried but are bulkier than smart devices. Laptops are much heavier than the smart devices. You can say laptops are much heavier than your phone. In smart devices can be easily to be carried from one place to another, very lightweight as compared to computer and laptop. Next point is versatility. Can perform a variety of functions, but those functions are mainly heavier of computing. For example, can run various types of application. In computer at a time, you can run number of programs together. In smart devices, can perform a variety of functions from diverse field. Example, you can make a call, can record audio, video, can track a mobile movement, track live location, and many more. Next is your I/O device. I/O is your input-output device. Laptops have many input devices such as keyboard and mouse. Your smart devices mainly get touch-based input, that is, with the help of your sensor, you can touch and use the smart devices. Next is your storage. Laptop have Laptops have enormous storage and store bulk of data. Smart devices have limited storage comparatively. If we are going to compare computer and smart devices, the storage of your smart devices is limited, or you can say less than your computer. Next is your connectivity. Laptops can connect to internet using internet external modem or router easily. Smart devices have inbuilt modem or router for connectivity. If you want to use internet with a laptop, we need to have external modem. With the help of that, we can connect a laptop to the internet. Whereas in your phone, you have inbuilt modem with the help of that inbuilt modem, you don't need to carry any external modem for connectivity. So this was the comparison, or you can say the difference between calculator, computer and smart devices. So here we end with this topic. Hope so this video is useful for you all. Thank you.